distributed energy resources. Distributed energy resources. How many above are considered distributed energy resources? A small scale source of electricity generation. A storage that is located near the tube. The resources can be connected to the local power grid or operate independently. Battery storage. Carbon fibers are used in manufacture of battery storage, fuel cells, rooftop solar photovoltaic unit, wind generating unit, fuel cell, biomass generator, rooftop solar photovoltaic unit, carbon fibers, carbon fibers, zero mass. The correct matching. Zero mass হচ্ছে zero mass neutrino, fractional charge, quark, fractional spin, positron, integral spin, photon, photon. Photon is like electron. Positron is electron. Positron is fractional spin. Is like electron, except the former one has positive, while the latter one has a negative charge. Both have fractional spins denoted. Positron is antiparticle of electron. Neutrino is considered as a massless particle. Neutrino it is considered as a massless particle. Massless is considered as a particle opposite in properties. Neutrino is considered as massless particle, considered as the particle opposite in properties with respect to the neutron. Zero mass neutrino, zero mass. As massless particle, considered as the particle opposite to neutron. Quarks are the fundamental particles that constitute particles like proton and neutrons. Quarks, fractional charge, fractional charge, properties with respect to the neutron. Quark are the fundamental particles that constitute the particles like proton and neutron. It consists of fractional charge. Photon is also a fundamental particle. Photon, which have integral spin. Photon is also fundamental particles. Photon is fundamental particles. Photon integral spin. Category called bosons, which have integral spin. Neutron, massless particles, zero mass. Fractional quark and fractional spin, positron. Zero mass neutrino. Which one of the following is the correct sequence in increasing order of a molecular weight of a hydrocarbon? CH4, C2H6 30, methane 12 plus 4 16, ethane C2H6 30, ethane propane C3H8 44, butane 58, 8. Cobalt 60 होची commonly cobalt 60 radiation therapy. commonly used in radiation therapy. The treatment of cancer because it emits a high intensity gamma rays with a relatively long half life compared to other gamma rays. Synthetic radioactive isotope cobalt with a half life of radioactive isotopes. Among the zirconium is not a radioactive. Tritium, francium, astatine radioactive. Which are the material generally employed as a solder in soldering operations? Iron, tin, lead and tin. Solder, no. Lead and tin. Metal generally employed as a solder. Alloy of lead and tin, Pp and Sn. 40% lead and 1 tin. Less than of pure metals. Electrical wires together. Soldering or welding. Correct sequence of given substance. Gold. Decreasing order of their density. Gold, mercury, steel. Gold density higher than mercury than steel. Gold 19.3 gram centimeter, mercury 13, steel 7.8. Salt which of the following element provide color is firework. Firework. Actually, because strontium and barium both belongs to group 2 of the periodic tables. Among the following, strontium and barium provide color firework. Strontium and barium, because strontium and barium both belongs to group 2 of the periodic table. They are also called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline. हेमन जाओ आगे ये त्रिभुज चित्र कर करके तापर टेंस लिख रंबस मस बुझाओ हम तो फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर actually in the period in the group the atomic radius are generally increase from top to bottom. Atomic radius is generally top to bottom. Increase radius. Electron affinity to gain an electron generally decreases from top to bottom. The atomic radius generally increases from top to bottom. Correct. Barium and strontium are found free in nature because actually found free in nature. Barium, strontium, alkaline earth metal in group 2 of the periodic table. Group 2. These metals are highly reactive, hence don't occur in free state. Found free in nature or in the free state. Actually, the presence of NaCl. Actually, barium highly reactive, so not free in free state. NaCl increasing rate of setting of plaster of Paris. Presence of NaCl, plaster of Paris, setting time increases. And the presence of NS, gypsum is added to cement to slow down the rate of setting. Gypsum, rate of setting. An alkaline earth metal from hydrated salt. Alkaline, hydrated salt. Amalgam. Amalgam. It does not form amalgam. An amalgam is an alloy of mercury with another metal. Metal plus mercury. Generally, all metal can form amalgam with mercury. But some notable exceptions like iron, platinum, tungsten, and tantalum don't form amalgams. Iron, platinum, tungsten, and tantalum. tungsten and tantalum don't form amalgams. They don't form amalgams. An amalgam is an alloy of mercury with another metal plus mercury. Generally, all the metal can form amalgams with mercury. Some notable exceptions like iron, platinum, tungsten, and tantalum. Metals can form amalgams. Platinum, tungsten, iron. Amalgam is alloy of mercury with another metal. Mercury with another metal amalgam. Doesn't form amalgams. Iron, tungsten, platinum, not form amalgams. The following item consists of two statements. See, assertion sodium metal is stored under the kerosene. See, A is true but R, sodium metal is stored under kerosene. A is true but R is false. Sodium metal is stored in kerosene due to its high reactivity with oxygen and moisture. Sodium is stored in kerosene. Moisture. When it reacts with water or air, it does not melt and form sodium hydroxide. The most reactive along the halogen is fluorine. Most reactive among the halogen, fluorine. Due to its highly electronegative character and smaller size. Halogen belongs to 17th group. Fluorine. Halogen belongs to 17th group. The reactivity decreases down the group. Organic compound. See, cobalt, lithium, nickel are commonly used to make battery cathodes. Electric vehicles batteries. Electric vehicle batteries. ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଟିକେ ତାକୁ ଦିଅ ଭୋଗ ଦିଅ ଟିକେ ଅଭ୍ୟାସରେ ଲେଖିବ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ମେଡ଼ିସିନ ଖାଲି ଦେଉଛ ଏବେ ଏ ଠେଙ୍ଗାଟା ଆଣେ lithium is cobalt is very heavily used cathode of most electric batteries. Cobalt, lithium, nickel are commonly used in battery cathode. Battery cathodes. Cobalt is heavily used in cathodes of most EV batteries. Cobalt is heavily used in cathode. Most EV battery. EV battery cobalt use cathode. समझ लिखो cobalt most EV battery cobalt lithium nickel is used stability of battery and its power density further add the stability of the battery lithium is quintessential constituent of lithium ion cathode material in the lithium ion phosphate nickel is extensively employed high energy containing cathode like graphite is material of anode cathode. Graphite serves as the medium in which lithium ions are intercalated during charging process. Graphite cannot be classified as cathode material. Lithium is quintessential constituent of lithium ion batteries. Cobalt is very heavily used and no. beta prayer. Nickel is extensively employed in high energy containing cathode. Actually, how many above unit made of battery? Battery graphite, lithium, nickel, and cobalt, lithium, nickel, not a graphite. Graphite is metal anode, not a cathode. Graphite serves as the medium in which lithium ions are intercalated during the changes process. Graphite is anode. Bisphenol is a structural component in the manufacture of which of the following kind of plastics? A cause of concern, structural component in the manufacture of which of the following kind of plastics? Among the giving bisphenol is a chemical used to make polycarbonate plastics. Polycarbonate plastics. Polycarbonate plastic is used to make hard plastic items such as baby bottles, reusable water bottles, food containers. ए ब्लैक वाटर आगु उठ तांको cause of concern structure ए ब्लैक वाटर आगु उठ ए बनी कोन लिखनी हां हां बिस्फेनल अरे समस्त लिख जे न लिखुने बिस्फेनल a cause of concern is structural component manufactured which of the following kind of plastics among the given bisphenol among the given bisphenol is a chemical used to make polycarbonate plastics polycarbonate plastic is used to make a hard plastic items such as baby bottles, reusable water bottles, baby bottles. अरे बाला साहेब लोग चावल उड़े इधर पैकेट नहीं ऐसे रखते ऊपर अरे चेयर बगे अन्नो कितने देखो among the given bisphenol a chemical used to make polycarbonate plastics make hard plastics polycarbonate correct answer is in code example of a chemical change only 3 sourcing of a milk change melting of ice nut food so stored in a cold chamber exhibit longer storage life because food stored in cold chamber because rate of respiration decrease mixture of which of the following pair of gases is the cause of occurrence of most of the explosion mines following pairs of gases is cause of occurrence of most of the explosion methane and air the cause of occurrence of most of the explosion mixture C actually bisphenol food packaging materials polycarbonate compared with the chemical formula is a plastic used in many food and drink packaging application following pair of gases causes occurrence most of the explosion mines Methane explosion are one of the major causes of explosion. Coal mines. It occurs due to the presence of methane when comes in contact with a heat source. Food stored in cold chamber. Which of following in another name of RDX? Another name of RDX. Another name of RDX. Cyano. Following another name of RDX. Cyanohydric. No. Cyclonite. Belong to T4. Hexogen. RDX. T and T4. RDX stands for Research and Development Explosives. Chemical name of RDX is cyclotrimethylene. Trinitramine. It is also called plastic explosives. It is known as cyclonite in USA, Hexagen in Germany, and T4 in Italy. Chemical name of RDX is cyclotrimethylene trinitramine. Plastic explosive, it is known as cyclonite in USA, Hexagon in Germany, and T4 in Italy. Cyclotrimethylene trinitramine. It is also called plastic explosives. RDX মানে হচ্ছে research and development explosives. Plastic explosives known as cyclonite and USA, Hexagon in Germany, and T4 in Italy. USA, Hexagon Germany, and T4 in Italy. Research development explosives. Given chemical 1 to 4 are correct. Dry cleaning chemical. Dry cleaning chemicals. See in the given chemical 1 to 4 correct. Benzene, carbon tetrachloride, trichloroethylene. Benzene is historically used as a significant component of benzene. Significantly component in many consumer products such as the liquid range, several paint, rubber cement spot. Benzene was historically used as significant component. Many consumer products such as the liquid range, several paint, stripers, rubber cement spot remover. Carbon tetrachloride has also been used as dry cleaning agent and fire extinguisher in making nylons as a solvent for rubber cement, soap, insecticide. Trichloroethane, dry cleaning solvent. Trichloroethylene has also been. Sodium carbonate cannot be used dry cleaning agent. Sodium carbonate. And fire extinguisher. Carbon tetrachloride. In making nylons as a solvent for rubber cement. Soap or insecticide in making nylons. Trichloroethylene has also been used as dry cleaning solvent. Dry cleaning solvent, trichloro. Cyanohydrin. In the given chemicals, waterproof, cellular, both A and R are true. Polysaccharide not soluble in water. Cellulose is typically used as significant component in many consumer products such as the liquid range, several paint, strippers, rubber, cement, spot removers. Trichloroethylene has also been used as a dry cleaning solvent, but sodium carbonate cannot be used as a dry cleaning agent. Carbon tetrachloride has also been used as a dry cleaning agent. fire extinguisher in making nylons. Correct reason for this is the cellulose who falls into the category of polysaccharide carbohydrate is an important natural fiber. The fibrous molecules strength to withstand tension. Polysaccharides are not soluble in water due to their size and polymeric characters. Polysaccharides are not soluble in water due to their size and polymeric character. Are not soluble in water. Polysaccharides are not soluble in water.